Do you want to make passive income using AI? In 2025, artificial intelligence is making it easier than ever to generate money with little effort. Whether you want to sell digital products, automate content creation, or run an online business, AI tools can help you scale faster and work smarter. In this guide, I'll show you the 5 best AI tools that can help you build passive income streams with minimal effort. One of the most powerful AI tools is ChatGPT, an advanced language model that can generate high-quality content for blogs, ebooks, scripts, and marketing materials. If you want to make money through self-publishing, ChatGPT can help write books for Amazon KDP in minutes. You can also use it to create SEO-friendly blog posts and automate affiliate marketing content. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can produce content at scale, reducing the time and effort needed to maintain a profitable blog, email newsletter, or online business. Many entrepreneurs are using AI-generated content to rank higher in search engines and earn consistent passive income from ad revenue, sponsorships, and digital product sales. Another must-try tool is Midjourney, an AI-powered image generator that creates high-quality artwork from text prompts. This tool is perfect for selling digital artwork, designing print-on-demand products, and creating unique book covers. Many people are using AI-generated art to sell posters, t-shirts, and custom prints on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6. Since AI handles the design work, you can produce high-quality images in minutes and generate sales indefinitely. The best part is that once your designs are uploaded to these marketplaces, they can continue selling without any additional work from you. For video content, Pictory is a game changer. This AI tool transforms text into professional-looking videos, making it perfect for YouTube automation, social media content, and online courses. You can input a blog post, and Pictory will generate a fully edited video with stock footage, AI-generated voiceovers, and subtitles. Many faceless YouTube channels are using Pictory to create engaging videos that monetize through ads and sponsorships. With the rise of video content consumption, using AI to automate video production is one of the best ways to earn passive income in 2025. Another top AI tool is ElevenLabs, which generates ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. If you want to start a YouTube channel, audiobook business, or online narration service without recording your own voice, this tool is essential. Many YouTube automation channels use ElevenLabs to produce faceless videos that generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and digital product sales. AI-generated voiceovers are also used in e-learning courses, explainer videos, and podcasting, opening up multiple revenue opportunities. Finally, Canva AI is an incredible tool for automating graphic design. Whether you need social media posts, website graphics, digital ad creatives, or product mockups, Canva's AI features help create professional quality visuals in seconds. Many entrepreneurs use Canva to design and sell templates, Instagram packs, and business branding kits on Etsy or Gumroad. Since these digital products require no inventory or shipping, they offer a great opportunity to generate passive income with minimal effort. Once a template is created and listed for sale, it can be purchased repeatedly, allowing you to make money while you sleep. AI is transforming how people make passive income, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you use ChatGPT for content, Midjourney for design, Pictory for videos, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, or Canva AI for digital products, these tools can help you build an income stream with minimal daily effort. The key is to start now. Pick a tool, set up your income stream, and let AI do the work for you. The sooner you take action, the sooner you can start earning with AI in 2025.